Pour olive oil on the lemon. This is the secret to living up to 100 years. It's amazing, and everyone should make this recipe at least once in their life. To do this, take a lemon and cut it in half. Then, cut it into small pieces, just like I do in the video. To make it easier, you can squeeze the two halves of the lemon into a glass or cup. It's much more practical. But here, I want to extract all the benefits contained in the lemon. That's why I'm going to do this procedure. Then, I put the lemon pieces in a container. Then, I take something to mash the lemon, including the peel. The secret is in the peel. It's rich in antioxidants. This mixture can help you fight inflammation and infections such as colds and flu. Now, I'm going to take a clove of garlic and peel it. Frequent consumption of garlic can help reduce high cholesterol, protect the heart, and fight fungi and bacteria to an incredible degree. It's also a great anticoagulant. So, if you're at risk of developing thrombosis, it's a great ally. It's well worth including garlic in your daily routine. Here, I've already mashed the garlic with the lemon. Now I'm going to use cinnamon powder. Just add half a spoonful. Cinnamon powder is a real treasure for those who want to lose weight. It's an excellent thermogenic, causing you to burn more calories than you normally would. Now, I'm going to add olive oil. Add just a spoonful and mix well. Consuming olive oil on an empty stomach is wonderful for our health. Some of the many benefits include improved digestion, increased absorption of vitamins and minerals, lower blood sugar levels, and improved skin appearance. Finally, add a glass of water and you're done. Now just strain the mixture. And if you're allergic to any of these ingredients, don't make this recipe. Or adapt it to your preference. And that's how our drink turned out. Lemon and olive oil increase the feeling of satiety and make the body work to lose weight. 3 doctors studied 100 women, all with high triglycerides and cholesterol. They were divided into 2 groups. The first group was given plums to eat. The second group was given olive oil with lemon and honey. After 30 days, those who ate the plums were still the same and still sick. Those who used olive oil with lemon and honey reduced their cholesterol and triglycerides and lost weight. In short, this recipe is not only a tasty way to take care of your health, but also a powerful ally in the fight against problems such as high cholesterol and inflammation. The combination of lemon, garlic, cinnamon, and olive oil provides a variety of benefits. Lemon is rich in antioxidants, garlic helps protect the heart, and cinnamon acts as a natural thermogenic. In addition, regular consumption of these ingredients can help improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. These are just a few of the countless benefits that these ingredients can offer you. That's why it's so worthwhile. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video.